the cleaning of Old Prabhadevi Beach on Thursday morning. The tide is just coming up now. The cleaning is done twice a day in 24 hours. Once from 6 to 1 p.m. in the morning, and later on, once the high tide recedes, again in the evening, the second round of cleaning up to 7 p.m. Old Prabhadevi Beach. Over there is Dadar, Mahim, and here in front is Bandra and the Ceiling Bridge. There in front is Worli village. One of the costliest real estate properties in India, let alone Bombay, Prabhadevi locality, and this is Old Prabhadevi Beach. Sadly, one of the dirtiest beaches, which has to be cleaned twice every 24 hours just to maintain this level of cleanliness. You can see the beach now is clean. At high tide, it will get totally littered with Bombay's waste, and again cleaned again in the evening.